Hi, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see what is server-side rendering and how we can use the server-side rendering in React. Okay, so I have created already a one small project and I will share this report details in the video description. Okay, so first, what is server-side rendering? Means basically what we will do in the front end, all the front end parts we will write and we will bundle and we will deploy and we will make it work in the front end side, right? So instead of doing these things in the front end, we will have that front end parts in the back end and we will render all the things in the server itself. Then we will return the pure HTML content, plain HTML content to the front end as a response in the API. So we will render that HTML content in the browser. So because of this, um the speed of the application will increase because we are not doing any logic in the front end. We are doing all the logic related stuffs in the back end and we are just returning the output as a plain text, HTML text, right? That we are rendering. So in this way, the application will be a little faster than doing the logics in the front end. So this is the main use of server-side rendering. Okay, so let's see the example. So in this I have updated the steps. First we have to create a application, then we have to install the React DOM and its dependencies. We have to create the client file, server file. We have to do the iteration phase. We need a webpack, and also then we are building the application. Then we will start the application. Okay, first part is npm init we are doing. So okay, I'm just doing the init. Okay, so what it will do, it will create a package.json, right? Okay, second step, we have to install the React DOM. Why? Because in this video we are going to do the server-side rendering in the React application. Okay, and we are installing the dependencies. So okay, so next command, in this we have first command we are installing the webpack and second command we are using the babel, so which helps to bundle the application files. Okay, now we have installed the dev dependencies and also the dependencies, right? So let's go to the next steps. We have to create a client file, so which is under client folder. So I'm creating a client folder first, client. Then inside I'm going to create two files, app.jsx and index.jsx. First is app.jsx and second one is index. Okay, so what is app.jsx is, it's a simple React application code in small component. So in this, if you see, we have state variable, we have a button. On clicking on button, we are just increasing the counter, right? So if you want to implement any API or any fetching logics here, we can do. Okay, so this, for to make it very simple, I'm just having the state variable, and on clicking of this button I'm just increasing the counter. So second, index. So this step is very important. So we have to iterate the component. Okay, so next, so we have to create the server file. Okay, so this is a simple node HTTP server. So if you see, I have a HTTP file system, React and React DOM, right? And we are including the component. So here I just created the server and we are returning some HTML content as a plain text in the response of this, and this is the port where we are running the application. Okay, then we have to create, we need this webpack, right? So I'm creating a webpack config also here. So this webpack config build is used to build the client file and server file, and it will move into the some dist folder. Okay, so next step is, see, we did the iteration, we created server, we created a client, we created the webpack also, and then we have to build. So before build, we need to add are the build commands, right? In the package.json I created some scripts actually. Okay, if you see here, we have start command, build client, build server, and one common build which runs both client and server build, and we have test, so we don't have test cases here. Okay, so we will build it the application. If you see here, so what it will do, it will basically create a dist folder, and it will compress and it will move the client related files into the client.js and server related files into the server.js. Okay, then we can start the application. So it is now running on the, okay, so now if you see here, on clicking on this 3000, so we are making call and we are just getting the plain HTML, right? So we are not doing any logic related to logic things in the front end, as well as in the source. If you see, we don't have any dependencies compiled in the front end part. So because of this, the application weight is very low, and performance wise it will be more. Okay, so we added the on click event, right, to make it interactive. So we have to do the iteration. So I will post some separate video what is iteration, how it will work, and what is the use of that. Let's see in a separate video. See, so on clicking on this, we are increasing the counter. So this is the use of server side rendering, and basically we will do all the logical things in the server. We will return the plain HTML as a response in the API that we will render into the browser. So this is the server side rendering. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any comments or any suggestions, please post it in the comment. I always welcome the comments and suggestions. And thanks for watching my video. And if you not subscribed yet my channel, please do support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.